How to adjust how you want to see on plenty of fish. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Plenty of Fish application from your device. Make sure that you get logged into your Plenty of Fish account. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then scroll down all the way to the below and tap on the Preferences option. In this page, you can actually adjust how you want to see. To change, tap on the first option of age and choose the age from 18 to 33. Once done, tap on the right icon on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on the country option and select the country which you want to see, and lastly, you can choose the first contact length. Choose your characters and tap on the right option at the top again, and with this, how you want to see on Plenty of Fish will be adjusted. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.